Aloha folks, this is Aaron from Hawaiian Music School, and today we had the lick of the day played on a baritone ukulele. Now, the tuning for the baritone ukulele is DGBE. Just remember, dogs grow big ears. That's how I teach it to elementary students. The lick that we played was a Hawaiian Turnaround in G. The G shape that I'm using, though, is going to actually be an E shape, but it's on the 3rd fret. I bar the 3rd fret, basically, with my first finger. But I'm not actually doing this because these two fingers are covering these two strings, right? So I don't need to put the bar all the way across. I just put it in the bottom 2 strings. So bottom 2 strings, 3rd fret is covered by the first finger. And these two guys right here are on the 4th fret and 5th fret, respectively. And it gives me a G chord, but it's a E shape. Okay, so that's going to be my first chord. My second chord is going to be the D7, and it's down here. I use finger number 1 on the 2nd string 1st fret, finger number 2 on the 3rd string 2nd fret, and finger number 3 on the 1st string 2nd fret. So it looks kind of like an arrow pointing that way, right? So that's going to be my D7 shape. And everything else happens with this hand. So I'm going to play the lick, and then we'll break it down piece by piece. Okay, it goes like this. Now, how we did it was holding that chord. That's your first part, right? So I take this hand, and I've assigned each of my fingers to a string. So I've got my thumb on the 4th string, my first finger on the 3rd string, my second finger is on the 2nd string, and my 3rd finger is on the 1st string. And so I just kind of sit here like this. And this is a good practice to hold your hand this way and to just move your fingers up and down. So go down, back up. And this is going to be a good practice to help with your finger picking. But in this case, what we're doing is, so that first thing, 4, 3, 2, 4. Now I'm going to reach up to the 7th fret with my pinky, and this might be a stretch for some of you guys. Right? I pick up that note with my pinky, then I pull it off. So after I pull off, 2nd, 3rd, 2nd, so. Now I go down to the D7 shape. The same thing with this hand. So 4, 3, 2, 4. And then now I'm putting my pinky out here at the 5th fret, and I slide down. So instead of doing a pull off, it's a slide in. And I'm sliding from 5 to 3. I hit the top string again. I take my finger off. And then I slide from 2 to 3. And then the last thing is 4, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2. So altogether we have. And that's the lick of the day played on the baritone ukulele. If you liked today's lesson, please go ahead and hit that like button below. Leave your comments. I always appreciate your comments. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe. And if you like the way I teach, check out my teaching site, HawaiiMusicSchool.com, where we go in depth on lessons like these. And right now you can even sign up and get 2 weeks for free. So hopefully I'll see you guys around. Aloha.